Beneath the surface of the earth lies a hidden world, a silent kingdom of shadows, colors, and secrets that have waited patiently for millennia. The soil beneath our feet, which seems ordinary and unremarkable, is in reality a vault that holds treasures older than civilization itself. Each step we take could be pressing against something priceless, something that has never known the warmth of human hands or the light of day. The earth, however, does not give up its secrets easily. It wraps them carefully in layers of stone, clay, and sediment, guarding them with the patience of time and the quiet vigilance of centuries. This is not merely a tale about gemstones. It is an invitation to explore a world that exists beyond ordinary perception, a world that demands attention, patience, and reverence. The earth has always been a master artisan, shaping beauty from raw elements through processes of unimaginable pressure, heat, and time. Rubies, for example, are born deep within marble and metamorphic rock, glowing like captured fire, each crystal a frozen fragment of the planet's violent inner heart. Emeralds form in the narrow veins of schist, their green hues shimmering silently in darkness, untouched for thousands of years, as if the stone itself were waiting for someone worthy to find it. Sapphires, resilient and enduring, lie dormant within corundum deposits, waiting quietly in hardened rock for the moment when human hands may uncover them. Diamonds, created under the most extreme pressure, are sometimes thrust upward by volcanic eruptions, only to be buried once more beneath layers of soil, hidden from the world, waiting patiently for discovery. Each gemstone is far more than a stone. It is a fragment of the earth's memory, a record of time frozen into brilliance, a fragment of ancient forces captured in crystalline perfection. To uncover these treasures, one must learn the subtle and often overlooked language of the soil. Soil speaks in whispers through its color, texture, and faint patterns, revealing hints that are imperceptible to the untrained eye. Brown or red earth can indicate iron-rich deposits, hinting at garnets hidden just below the surface, their deep red facets waiting for the light. Pale, sandy soil may conceal delicate quartz, topaz, or aquamarine, their beauty invisible until carefully revealed. Gravel beds and river sediments carry stories of gemstones, transported over centuries, polished by water before finally coming to rest in quiet corners of the landscape. Mountain soils, harsh and resistant, often conceal veins of corundum or sapphire pockets, reluctant to surrender their secrets to all but the most patient and observant seekers. Even forest soils, layered with moss and root matter, hide crystals that cling to roots, protected and preserved as if by unseen guardians of the earth itself. But the soil is not a generous host. Some soils swallow gemstones, pulling them deeper with each rainfall, while others scatter them across vast distances, making discovery a matter of perception, patience, and intuition. The casual glance sees only dirt and rocks, yet the trained eye can detect subtle glimmers of mica, flecks of quartz, or faint tints of color in black sands that hint at sapphire or spinel deposits. Copper-stained soils may signal emerald veins glowing faintly beneath layers of rock, while certain clay-rich grounds cradle spinels or garnets in secretive pockets. Every hint, every shimmer, every subtle irregularity in the ground is a clue in the silent map drawn by the earth over eons, a map that only the careful and curious can read. The earth is a master of illusion, hiding worthless stones beside treasures to confuse and test the seeker. It buries crystals beneath rubble to measure patience, forcing anyone searching to examine every glimmer, every grain that reflects sunlight, every subtle color shift. For the soil is not simply dirt, it is a guardian, a silent teacher, offering rewards only to those who respect its subtlety, who persist through challenges and embrace the meticulous art of observation. Some rocks, dull and gray on the surface, conceal veins of iridescent beauty that only reveal themselves when carefully examined. Others are rough and unremarkable outwardly, yet inside a small miracle of crystalline structure and vivid color waits for discovery. The magic of discovery often follows storms. Rain loosens the earth's grip, exposing what has been hidden for decades, sometimes centuries. Riverbanks glisten with small fragments of quartz. Hillsides sparkle as garnets and crystals peek from damp soil, and in the gravel, the faintest dusting of diamond may cling, invisible to the inattentive, yet unmistakable to those who know what to look for. This is why the patient and prepared move quickly after rainfall, following the subtle trails where water has washed away the earth's veil, revealing treasures that have been waiting silently for someone willing to see them. Softened soil stirred by rain and time whispers its secrets more boldly in the aftermath, inviting those who are willing to listen with care. Even the tiniest rivulet can carry fragments downstream, teasing the seeker with small glimpses of the hidden world below. And then comes the moment every seeker dreams of, the sudden, silent revelation of something extraordinary. Brushing away the final layer of dirt, a flicker of green light catches the eye. An emerald, untouched and perfect, preserved for centuries, or a ruby, glowing deep red as if fire itself rests within it, patient and still, waiting for human hands to recognize its brilliance. The shock of discovery is not merely in the value of the stone, but in the realization that beneath ordinary soil lies a fragment of the earth's hidden soul, a piece of deep time, a story carved in crystal. That moment is fleeting, yet transformative, reminding us that the earth has been keeping secrets far longer than we have existed, and that even a brief encounter with such beauty can leave a lasting mark on the human spirit. Every discovery changes the seeker. Some uncover small, delicate crystals that are perfect reminders of the fragile patience of nature. Others find rough stones, dull yet full of potential, whose hidden brilliance can only be revealed through care, time, and understanding. Each gemstone is both treasure and teacher, whispering lessons about endurance, transformation, and the remarkable forces that have shaped it over eons. They remind us that beauty takes time, that value is earned, and that not all treasure is immediately apparent. Every gemstone began as something overlooked, a fragment lost among countless others. Yet heat, pressure, and time transformed it into perfection. The soil then shrouded it in secrecy until the patient and observant seeker finally uncovers it. That moment is revelation, a conversation between earth and human, whispered through stone. The ground beneath us is never ordinary. It teems with hidden wonders, silently guarding them until the right time, until the right seeker arrives. It does not flaunt its treasures, but waits for those who respect its silence. Every careful step, every gentle dig, every brush of soil can reveal what has been hidden since before humans walked the earth. Even minor disturbances, a moved stone, a shifted leaf, can expose a fragment of the hidden world. To the casual observer, the earth is dirt, gravel, and stone. But to the seeker, it is a kingdom of crystals, a world of frozen fire, a secret library of time itself. Those who search beneath its surface quickly learn that treasure is not merely found. It is revealed patiently, mysteriously, and reluctantly.